Hi everybody, this is the video for lesson 2.3. There's going to be two parts to this lesson, but overall it's a pretty quick and short lesson. So you are going to need to open up the simulation here, so I have that in another tab. We're trying to evaluate these two claims down here, claim A and claim B. And we'll get to those in a minute. So what you're going to do first is you are going to create a system of magnets. And remember that a system is interacting parts, so we're going to need more than one magnet here that are a medium distance apart, and we're going to record the initial potential energy in the first column of the table. So come in here. Doesn't matter if you use weak or strong magnets, but we are going to first make attracting magnets because that's the first table that we have. So we know that attracting magnets are opposites. So I'm going to flip one around and a medium distance, something like this. And then we are going to record the initial potential energy. So I do want you to do this on your own. So yours will be different than mine, but my initial potential energy is right here. Our next step is to move the second magnet with or in the same direction as the magnetic force and record the potential energy in the second column. So we're going to put that here when we move the magnet towards the other one. Okay, so I move it towards, I see the potential energy change here, and I'm going to record that here. And then I am going to now move the second magnet against or in the opposite direction from the magnetic force and record the potential energy in the third column. So now I'm going to move it farther away than I originally had it and record my potential energy there. Now you're going to do the same exact thing, but with magnets that are repelling. So move them a medium distance, and repelling magnets look like this. Same thing here, move it towards the magnetic force and then move it away. After that, you are going to complete the poll or the question below. You're going to, and it's okay if you're not sure about your answer. So you want to take a look at your evidence from above and say if it supports one of these claims. So just bold, you can use this or underline one. So claim A says potential energy increases when a magnet is moved with or in the same direction as the magnetic force, or potential energy increases when a magnet is moved against in the opposite direction of the magnetic force. Okay, so look at your data up here, choose one of these that you think to be true, and then explain your answer with evidence. So you say, I believe claim, maybe it's A or B, whichever one, to be true. Claim A or B says, blah, 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 blah. Write what it says, and then you say a piece of evidence that supports this is ... and then you can take a look at your data and support your claim with evidence. And that's it for today.